Hi, I am in the city of Mysore doing my teacher's training course, and I am so excited to bring you this video right from Mysore. Why? Because this is an amazing yoga flow that you can do from your house. It's going to be only about 10 to 12 minutes, so enjoy the flow, watch it and share some love. Namaste, my name is Riya Bhansali and I'm a certified yoga teacher and a life coach. Well, I've gotten a lot of requests from all of you that हमें एक yoga flow सीखना है. हम लोग 10 minutes में कौन सा workout कर सकते हैं? Which is why today's video is about a quick yoga flow that you can learn and practice right at home. Well, if you have any doubts, any limitations or any doctor's prescription that restricts you from doing yoga, I highly recommend you write and check with them whether you can practice this flow or no. This is from a beginners to a medium practitioner flow. I hope you enjoy it. If you have any suggestions, drop it and follow us on our various social media handles for so much more fun content coming up. Enjoy your workout.
Let's begin with both hands in Namaste and gently breathing in and out, bringing awareness in your mind and in your body. Couple of deep breaths before we go for neck rotations. And gently drop your hands, take your chin up, open, close your mouth and take your chin down. Repeating this 4 to 5 times, make sure you're getting a very nice stretch in the front and behind your neck. Go slow, try to feel the warm up in your face and energy coming in and going out. Breathing in when you look up and breathing out when you look down. Changing it and making rotations side to side. Take your chin from one side to the other, looking right and left, again feeling a stretch in the front of the neck. Keep going couple of times. If you feel a lot of strain, you can continue. Now changing and pressing your palm against your forehead and pressing them against each other so that you feel a little tension in your neck. Now interlocking both your hands in front, put pressure on the front of your forehead and press your head in front, taking your hands behind, pressing your neck back and hands moving forward. Repeating it one more time. This is strengthening your neck muscles. So use each side, your right and your left, and then you interlock your hands to the back and to the front. Make sure giving opposite forces is giving a comfortable tension to your neck. If you realize that there's more stress, you can relax in between. Just relaxing it with making circles using your chin, clockwise and then moving anti-clockwise direction. Stretching the neck and continuing to focus on your breath. Place interlocked fingers on your stomach, rotate your shoulders, and when you're doing this, make sure you're also squeezing your shoulder blades behind. Moving clockwise and anti-clockwise. Now hold your shoulders up like somebody's pulling you and drop. Inhale, lift up, drop. Lifting it up, up, up and drop. One more time when you relax your entire shoulder muscles. Now taking one elbow to the side. Take one hand on top, stretching the sides of your waist and your chest. Move to the other side. Going back and forth, side to side, 3 times each side. Try to keep your neck looking forward instead of looking down. Deep breath out and deep breath in when you go up. Switching sides. Hold it if you feel comfortable and feel the stretch and feel your body opening from the sides. Once you're done, I want you to pull your hands up and you're twisting behind with one hand on the knee. Inhale, look up. Now looking to your right side, look as behind as possible. In this exercise, we're twisting the spine. So try looking more behind, inhaling up, exhaling to the side. Keep repeating at least 3 times each side. Hold it for as long as you feel comfortable and twist. Alright, now I'm going sidewards. I want you to interlock your fingers, stretch your elbows straight and exhale. Try to touch your forehead to the mat. Now when you do this, take your hands up. Inhale when you want to come up and repeat this couple of times. Interlocking, make sure your elbows are straight. Exhale looking down and hands go automatically up. Inhale coming up. Whenever you feel comfortable, you can keep repeating it. And now relaxing your back, sliding your hands forward and take it back. With no pressure in the back, exhale and go bend forward. It's okay if you don't touch your head down to the mat, and inhale, come back. Go as low as possible, and there's no hurry in reaching down. Moving to the cat and cow pose. Inhale, I want you to look up. Exhale, round your back. Inhale, look forward, take your back down. Exhale, look at your knees, round your back. This is stretching your stomach when you look up and your back when you look down. You can even hold the posture for 3 seconds with each round to feel the stretch intensify. Keep breathing in and out, taking your hips to your feet and lying down in child's pose, relaxing. Sliding up. Now I want you, so we're going to cross the mat. So take one leg, folding in this way and twisting your spine again. Fold your left leg as if you're walking on the mat till the front and twist looking behind. This is another spinal twist where I'm taking my right leg forward, twisting to the right side. Similarly, when you're using your left leg, taking your hands up, exhale and to your left hand side. Keep repeating until the length of your mat gets over. Try to stretch more and more behind. And once you're done, I want you to sit in a squatting position. Now this may be difficult for some of you to touch your heels down. In case you're not able to do it, feel comfortable to keep your heels up and start walking on your mat to the right and to the left. Feel free to take any breaks in between. And once you're done, walk front and back. So there are 2 exercises where you're walking sideways and you're walking front and back. Once you're done, you can relax. Gently rub both your hands. Place it on your eyes and spread this energy throughout the body, relaxing it.
If you are someone who is looking to just begin their yoga journey, fear not. We have an entire playlist for yoga for beginners, which you should check out under Yoga Drill. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and write to us. Comment below as to how is the workout and we'll make any videos that you'd like. We hope you've really enjoyed the workout. If you did, subscribe to our channel and watch more videos coming up for improving your yoga practice. This is Riya Bhansali. Until next time, Namaste.